If I encouraged you to eat the animal flesh raw, would you? Or better yet, could you without being poisoned by it? This is the power of groupthink. This is the power of acceptance without critical analysis. The human organism and its physiology in this iteration of human evolvement is not physiologically capable or anatomically capable of tearing through animal flesh and consuming it as it is, as every other creature on the planet does with its natural foods. This is because animal flesh is not natural for this iteration of the human physiology and or anatomical structure. You claim that you love the way that the meat tastes. Eat it raw and tell me how much you love it. You love the way the meat has been prepared, and the meat has to be prepared in order for it to not poison you or sicken you. This is not a natural food for this iteration of the human physiology and or anatomical structure. Just because we can do it does not make it natural. Just because you can derive slight benefits from consuming it does not make it natural. If it is natural, then you do not have to alter it in order to consume it. And that goes for any food, for any species that is considered natural for that species. Peace.